Alright, what up? Like I said, we're back to making music. I just got my glasses and, you know what I'm saying, updated my glasses. This is beat making numero. You were supposed to say it, bro.
I don't know which one.
Number 9. Number 9. Beat making numero 9. What type of beat should we make today, man? Should we make another house one or hip hop, or what do you think? What do you guys think? Oh wait, you guys can't answer. What's up?
Do a trap beat.
A trap? But what if it's a good beat and then I want to write to it? You know what I'm saying? Because that can happen. Sometimes I'll be like, fuck, I wish I would have not published this beat because I wanted to write to it. But you know what? I could still write to it. Alright, let's do this shit. Look at it. Alright, there's like a preset kind of whole template of sounds. I found this.
Straight.
I mean, the last part, you know how I switched it right here? Like, well, with this program, you can see the track right here. So at the half, well, 8 bars, you know how I just left it like this?
Yeah.
Just, I wanted to switch it, but we'll see if it works. See. That's cool, or you think?
Yeah.
Now we gotta find a hi-hat or something, you know, right?
Mm-hmm.
Would be the best thing. Do a hi-hat. Let me see. It's like some Wu-Tang shit. Cream, get the money. We're gonna add like an open hi-hat maybe. I like that. Just to like switch it up a little bit, you know?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see. Bring that down. Alright, we just need a kick. You know? You know what? Let's save this beat because I might rap to it. Fuck it. I like the place. I like the slow version better. What do you think, right?
Yeah, it's cold.
Alright. You know what? I'm gonna switch up now the drums then, right?
Yeah.
Cause like is that too slow?
Hard to tell. That's tight.
Right? Some shit like that?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. It might sound clashy, but fuck it, we'll see like that. So, ahorita, estaba fast la track. The track right now was fast. So I was like, you know what? Let's slow it down to 160 BPM. Dije, you know, vamos a hacerlo más lento. A ver cómo se escucha, to see how it sounds. And this is how it sounds. I switched up the drums. Así es como se escucha. Cambié el kick un poco. It's like a chill beat, you know what I'm saying? It's almost like como Wu-Tang, pero
Just makes you want to do drugs.
right? Like you just want to get high or something. Where's the shots at, man? Alright, well anyways, alright. Alright, so alright, then we found some shit. I gotta find a key though, because I was like, hey, record it. So I think we're gonna go like this, right? And then hold on, we need to bump this a little higher. I know that's how I lost my hearing, but hey man, so, you know, we'll need some jet powered, you know, headphones. All right. Hold on, let's redo this. Alright, let's do it. Gotta let it go again. Are you recording?
Yeah, yeah.
Alright, let's do this. Alright, hey, we're gonna retry that shit. Fuck, bro. I can't fucking get it. Hold on. Let me sit down. Hold on. Alright, let's do this shit. Mix on my hair a little bit. Alright, come on. Yo. What we did right now, ahorita lo que hicimos, we grabbed that violin instrument and we made it shorter. That way it's like it cuts in more into the beat. So el violín lo hicimos más corto para que entre más en el beat, como que haya más espacio. So, you know, como antes. No, it's just like it's shorter. All right. Okay. Alright, so that was beat making número 9. Así es como quedó el beat. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, and we got more music on the way. So hit the subscribe button right fucking now. Right here. I think it's right here or right here. One of them two, pero órale.